spring is almost here and it's time to start thinking about mowing our yard for the season. And even though the grass may still be dormant, we can go out and give an early mowing, or sometimes referred to as a scalping, early in the spring. And then what we can do is remove some of the brown dead material in our lawn, get that off the lawn, allow the sunlight to penetrate in, and allow that grass, that lawn, to green up a little bit sooner for us. So this is pretty important if we have a warm season lawn. Now if we have a cool season lawn, actually I wouldn't recommend this, only for the warm season lawn. So a lot of Bermuda grass lawns out there, zoysia grass, even some buffalo grass. It's okay to remove that brown material, allow the sunlight to penetrate in, allow it to green up. Now when we talk about an early mowing or a scalping, we don't want to mow everything off so that we expose bare soil. If we expose bare soil, we're going to allow a place for weeds to come up and germinate and maybe cause us some trouble on down the line. So really what we want to do is just get that brown material off, mow it just like a normal mowing almost. The thing is, you may want to use a bagger and actually remove all that dead material rather than leaving it on the ground. That way it won't block the sunlight from penetrating in. Now this can be a big job if we're talking about removing all that dead leaf material. So you can do it yourself, bag it up, take it to a compost bin, mulch it somewhere. But also a lot of times it's sometimes worth it just for that first early mowing to hire a company to come out and do it. They've got large equipment, large baggers. They can knock it out really fast. If you'd like to do it yourself, I do recommend that you bag it up and compost it somewhere. Now, with the mowers and everything, what we want to do is just look at where we were mowing last season and then adjust it down maybe just a notch or a notch and a half and then go mow. And again, we don't want to put that thing all the way down to the ground. So that's what we have to be careful about. So you can adjust it, just go maybe 2 or 3 feet, see what it looks like. If you need to raise it, raise it. If you need to lower it, and go from there. And again, just make sure you get those clippings out of the way. Let the sunlight come in. You'll have a beautiful lawn and probably green up about 2 weeks earlier than normal.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.